What's up guys, Johnny here, and I got another exciting video for you today. In today's video, we are going to go over iShares Emerging Markets Dividend ETF, or ticker symbol DVYE. Now, if you haven't already noticed, this company has a dividend yield of 9.38%. Yes, you heard me correctly. This has a 9% dividend yield with an expense ratio of only 0.49. Now, with only a half a point of an expense ratio, you are still looking at a 9% dividend yield, which is just simply amazing. Now, the PE ratio for this company is extremely low in my opinion at 3.61, but it is still in the positive. With that said, this was launched in 2012. They have a fund asset of $658 million. Now, that does sound like a lot, but there are other ETFs out there in the billions of dollars for fund assets. Nonetheless, though, the one-year return on this is actually a whopping negative 17%. Now, everyone did take a pretty hard hit in the markets over the last year, some being as low as 30 or 40%, which is almost half of their evaluation over a year ago. Now, 17% isn't a bad number to be down for investors like you and me to take an opportunity to buy this company at a discount. So the 5-year return is a 0.76 in the positive and a 10-year return of actually negative 0.27. But again, for losing only a fraction of 1% in 10 years and being able to get a 10% dividend per year in 10 years, that would actually be 100% worth of dividends in 10 years. That is just amazing. Now, iShares Emerging Markets Dividend ETF, ticker symbol DVYE, seeks to invest in 100 dividend-paying emerging markets stocks. It tracks the Dow Jones Emerging Markets Select Dividend Index. It's considered an equity fund, and it has the highest dividend yield on the list for top 10 dividend ETFs to buy right now at 9.38%. However, perhaps reflecting the recent underperformance of emerging markets, overall returns on the fund have been poor for the past 10 years, as we saw earlier with a fraction of a point. Now, this can be an excellent play again between me and you to expect emerging markets to outperform the U.S. market in the future, especially since we'll be enjoying a very high dividend yield along the way while we wait for the appreciation of the company and the evaluation to go up. Now, the exact number of companies in the fund is 114. The most significant holdings by sector include materials at 17%, real estate at 17%, financials at almost 13%, utilities at 12%, and energy at 10, almost 11%. Now, that is a nice bulk of their companies are in the real estate, financial, utility, and energy sector, which means that now that those markets are significantly lower, it's taking about a 20% hit this year, but as it starts to subside and then go back up, we can see some major high returns on investment due to real estate going up, banking and financials going back up. Utilities and energies are increasing right now at the moment, which could be why it isn't down as much. It's only down 17% compared to other companies which are down 30-40%. So definitely a company to check out. iShares Emerging Markets Dividend ETF, or ticker symbol DVYE. Now, if you like this kind of video and you want me to do a stock analysis or research on another stock, then go ahead and drop it in the comments below. And like always, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.
you.